Hey guys, Joe from Cold Springs RV bringing you the brand new 2020 Wildwood 28 FKV. Pretty cool. You got the nice battery storage up front. Power tongue jack. Some storage here as well. Power awning with LED light. Blue backlit speakers. The storage in the back is ridiculous. Huge amounts of storage. Just right under the bed. Let's go inside. This floor plan is really cool. It's got the kitchen in the front, so you're maximizing all that A-frame, all that space in that V-nose. Plenty of cabinets, drawers. Plenty of overhead cabinets. Nice double bowl sink. More storage. Huge fridge. You got double outlets here. You have an outlet here. You really maximize the outlets. You got another one right here. So this has more outlets in it than most kitchens in all these. Look at the floor plan. Storage underneath the jackknife sofa. The totes they give you gives you like 20.3 cubic feet of storage. I love the floor this year. And the lighter wood. If you notice the windows, you got panoramic windows. You also have roller shades instead of having day-night shades. You even get storage under here as well. You'll have some totes under here. Place to store your shoes. And you get the built-in nightstands on either side. 12-volt outlets next to the bed, which is important. And you do have a closet with a light in here as well. Bathroom is pretty wild in this. Gives you plenty of space to move around. Little cabinet in here for your towels. Huge shower. So it's a huge glass shower you can stand in. To save space, they actually maximize the doors to be a split door. I'm going to pan through the floor plan one more time and then give you guys perspective. If you have any questions, give us a call, 603-529-2222, or go on our website, www.coldspringsrv.com.